Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. So we are continuing the same chapter, editing of word processor. Our today's topic is tab. Our today's topic is tab. Tab is used to provide the space. We can see the tab key in our keyboard. For example, I am writing something here. When I will press the space bar, then it will display only one character space. Again, I am pressing the space bar. I am just increasing the size so that you can see. Clear? But with the help of tab key, we can provide more space. For example, now I am pressing the tab key. And by default, it will move 0.5 inch. In the ruler, you can see now we are on 0 and this one is our 0.5, then 1, 1.5. We can show or hide this ruler by going to the view tab. See, this one is my view tab. Just go to the view. At present, this checkbox is on. If I will deactivate it, you can see here, ruler is not displaying. Just click on it. By default, when I will press the tab key, it will move to 0.5. See. Again, I am pressing the tab key like that. So in this, I have used spacebar, and in this, I have pressed the tab key. By default, it will move 0.5 inch. If I want to provide myself the tab stop position, means I want when I will press the tab key, it will move to the 2.5, then 4 like that. So MS Word provide various tab stop. MS Word provide various tab stop. And there are basically 5 tab stop. One is left tab. Second is center tab. Third one is right tab. Fourth one is decimal tab. And the last one is bar tab. These are the 5 tabs in MS Word. So from where we can use this tab, I'm showing you where you will find this option. You will find this option above the vertical ruler. See this one. By using this one, we can change our tab stop. It is our tab stop. By clicking on it, we can use it. See, at present it is left tab. When you will point out it, it will display the name of the tab. You can see here. Just wait. See, this one is my left tab. When I will again click on it, this one is my center tab. This one is my center tab. So one by one, when I will click, after center tab, right tab will come, then decimal tab, and then bar tab. At present, it is center tab. Click on it. This one is my right tab. Click on it. This one is my decimal tab, like that. Bar tab. And after the bar tab, this one is first line indent. We have already done in the previous video. And next one is hanging indent. This one is my hanging indent. This one also we have done in the previous video, indent. So again, when we click, you can see here left tab is here. So how we can use it? See. For example, I want to provide the left tab stop position here. Up to 3. Clear? When I am pressing the tab key, you can see here it will directly jump to this tab position. It is not moving to 0.5 inch. So whatever I am writing here. So when I will take the left tab, all the text will display at the right of this tab. You can see here I am just clicking on it. Clear? My tab stop position is where? Up to 3. You can see here, this is my tab stop position. Whatever is displaying, that is displaying at the right of this tab. Clear? If I am providing the center, then it will display at the center. Again, I am clicking over here. See. Now, some text at the left of this tab stop and some text at the right. It means our tab stop is at the center. Clear? And same like that, if I am providing the right tab, for example, I am providing here, just click on it. When I will press the tab key and whatever I will write, that will display at the left of the tab. You can see here. You can see here, word, I have written word that is displaying at the left of this right tab stop. These three are clear. In the left tab, it will display at the right of the tab stop. You can see here. This is my left tab. All the text is displaying at the right of the tab stop. This is my center tab. You can see here some text at the left of the tab stop and some is at the right of the tab stop. And this one is my right tab. So you can see here, this one text is displaying at the left of the tab stop. Clear? Deleting it. So the next one is decimal tab. Next one is decimal tab. I'm just taking the decimal tab, click on it. Wherever I want to provide, just click over there. Press the tab key. Now write any decimal value. Write any decimal value. You can see here, before the decimal point, you can see that is displaying. Before the decimal value, it is displaying at the left of the tab stop, and decimal point and the right section is displaying at the right of the tab stop. Clear? And the last one is bar tab. Last one is bar tab. Bar tab is used to display a vertical bar. Nothing else. It just display a vertical bar. For example, I want to take here. You can see here a vertical bar is displaying here. A vertical bar is displaying here. Clear? If I want to remove any tab stop, so there are the different method to do it. One is go to ruler, press the mouse left click and drop it in your page, in your document. Then you can see here. And same like that, if you want this one also, just click it. You will not release the mouse button. When you will come to your page, just release your mouse button. And the another method is just double click on it. When you double click on it, you will see here tabs dialog box is here. Tab stop position. At present there are two tab stop position. But one is at the 16 and the second one is 6.31. Which you want to remove, just select it and then clear. If you want to clear all, just click on clear all. Okay. All the tab stop position will be erased. And the same method, the same dialog box you will find under the Home tab. Click on the Home tab. Under the paragraph group, you will find the same dialog box. Click on paragraph. You can see here, again I am showing to you. Click on this arrow symbol. Here is tab.